For my study tool, I decided to use Quizlet because I'm doing vocab words, and seems like the best option for like in-person flashcards. You use them just how you would a flashcard, definition on one side, word on the other, and super easy to use to study. If I wanted to create a new one, I just go to create and study set, and I can just put the word and the definition, and I could go through and make more, but I could also, this is super easy, import from Google Docs. So I already had all my words and their definitions in my IM3, so I just easily copied and pasted them onto here and imported. To find mine, I'd go to my library and go to the ones for this class, and then I can share them. So yeah, I have my little directions, and then I can share it through here, and I can send it on the email, do the link, or share it on Google Classroom. So it's super easy to share, especially for our interactive module. I could put it right onto Google Classroom.